Hello friend. Now in this tutorial we are going to create a table with foreign key. Okay. Just I am refreshing that we have created in previous video uh, product and customer table. Let's drop this first. Drop table product. Can we drop with comma and another table? Can we drop two table at a time? Yes, we can. The table is drop. Okay. Um, Now create table again with foreign key now, but here is a one thing that product and product and customer, that we have to add this customer ID inside product table. Means uh, the this table we need to create first, one side table or the child table we need to create first. After that we need to create a parent table. Okay, let's create first customer table. Create table customer. Create table customer. Customer. Customer with customer. With customer ID, serial, suppose serial primary key and customer name varchar 50. Okay, let's create the table. The table created successfully. Insert some value into it. Insert into customer values. Where customer is cname. Values are suppose mesh. In the data type for CID is serial, so it will have to increment from 1. Prathamesh, Rahul, and suppose Kiran. Okay, comma Kiran, semicolon. Let's see the value. Customer. Yes. Prathamesh, Rahul, and Kiran with 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's insert value and let's create a table now. Parent. Let's now create parent table. The table name is product. Create table parent. Now product has product ID, serial, primary key, product name varchar 50, and the customer ID. So the syntax is like this. Foreign, I have tell you in first video. Foreign key, foreign key, and inside this, in this parenthesis, the the column name that we have to put here, that it can be a CID or you can take here customer ID too, but make it same. Foreign key CID. Okay, after that references to child table is above table. Customer table, and inside the child table, that column name of customer table that we want to here reference CID. So CID. Okay, foreign key CID. Okay, let's run the query so that and check the it gonna work or not. Okay, all done. The column CID reference in foreign key constraint does not exist. Yeah, this was the syntax, but we create a but at the time of creation of table we use like this. CID is the new column name for our product table. Now the data type you can give int or anything you want. Okay, integer references to customer ID. Now let's see it gonna work or not. Yes, query returned successfully. So the syntax the syntax only tell the syntax is that now we know that for creation of table we need to first specify the column name after that data type, and for creation of foreign key we simply use references to customer ID references and the child table name, and inside parenthesis the column name of child table. That's it. We have seen this in previous video also of foreign key. Okay, then now the table is created with foreign key. So let's insert some value into it. Insert into okay, product value, product, suppose product ID also, product name also, and no need to insert product ID because this is a serial data type, and CID. Let's insert value for CID. Okay, sorry, values. Here you can insert suppose pen is the product and the customer is second is the double, 2 is the primary key of CID. Okay, if I run this query it will run. Oh, it will run, and if I see the data of product table, select star from product like in previous video, that the data is inserted, wrong data is inserted. Let's check inserting invalid data. So we know that CID is up to only 3 values are there, means 1 2 3. If I insert here 4 with pencil and see the then it giving an error, so that CID 4 is not present in table customer, so that it references to table in customer, and here is no error coming, and it handle error here or enter a valid data, so that we need to use a foreign key to references to table or to join to table. Okay, let's see. If I go here in product and inside the properties, the column name is, oh, just a minute. If I refresh here and go inside the product properties, you can see that yes, inside the constraint section, product has a primary key and foreign key also. Product CID foreign key. Okay, now here inside product and inside constraint you can see the name of the constraint product CID key. We know that um, how this name is given to that constraint. Okay, for primary key the table name underscore pkey table name underscore pkey, and for foreign key table name underscore column name of um, that product CID, and after underscore yup keyword for foreign key. That's it. Okay, if I go here in constraint and if I right click on this foreign key and inside properties, then you can see that inside the definition section yup key CID yup key covering index auto yup key index is on the column CID. If we change here something, then here SQL will be automatically generated. If I change on this deplorable, the SQL is generated for this using alter command. Okay, so that's all about creating a foreign key. Thank you.